Kale mutuse omanyi my sound is okay. Let's comment, let's share, let's like live stream live as well. What's really necessary. Okay, again. Forward. Let's share the live. Let's share the live stream. Okay. Comment the pair you want me to analyze for you today. As I will proceed. Yes, like. Amanyi dakidanta ogamba otya. Like button. Mugonge like button. Endelee. Sharingire bana aba WhatsApp. Those ones were in VIP. Abali mu VIP. By sawa nga mukaaga. I think I'll be done with my work. Sawa musanvu munana. We are going to trade together. You know the way I do it. If you don't know the way I do it, you learn the way we are doing it. Okay. VIP, strictly $10. VVIP. And there are some other people who are providing VVIP treatment here in the VIP. Imagine. Imagine. Times equation the balance ingana ate munange tetulina kyekikolera oluusi tulina ekigumiramu. I don't know if my network is okay on your side, but regardless we move. Tugenda kikwasaganya mpola have some headache. So we are going to drive and ride slowly as we traverse through and everything. I'm waiting for your comments, the pairs, and whatever thing you want me to do for you. Those ones on the live stream. Just comment what you want me to do for you, the pair you want me to analyze for you, and what specifically gwechicho yagala gwenga gwe as you what you like. Okay, what you really like. We do it together as a family. I'm first sharing this link to these Telegram guys, then we proceed. Members, let's join the Telegram community. Say USD. Yeah. No worries, bro. We are going to analyze it. But this over like whoever can get a analysis. Okay, now let's start. Let me give you this background sound. Leero ndi waka wenkoledde. So enva mulaba vibe nyingi naye temukifaako. It's okay. Tayogera maze kwani muting a microphone. It's okay. Now we are starting with the new week, and we are starting our new week, members. So in whatever thing we do, we should focus and we should aim to what's coming, because before me addressing the things are gonna be really tough this coming week. Before we even look at our economic calendar, things are gonna be somehow tough. But indeed, we have to be also strong and we have to be also tough. Now we are looking at next week. Next week, this is Sunday, 26th. No, this week. I think this week. Okay, we should starting tomorrow. So today is Sunday, tomorrow is a Monday. So on a Monday, what are we expecting? German CPI. I'm not seeing a lot, or I'm not looking at a lot of issues or a lot of things. The only thing I just want is liquidity. The moment I see liquidity in the market, nothing else. I'm just going to maintain my pace or my strategies. Understand? I'm going to maintain my discipline regardless of the volatility, because we always get volatility. We always said I'm down muted my microphone. Now, always focus. Like the way always focus. When I'm using my profit spread strategy, I always do focus. I'm not meandering around. Now, let's proceed. This is a Monday still. What are we having on Tuesday? Tuesday, Dark Dante. Ateekako wano eno simu yange ndabe akase stream yammwe eno oba tetambula. Temulaba screen. Sorry. Kati mwe temuŋŋamba. Ndowooza kati mugiraba. Right? I think kati kiryoke gye muli. Okay. In case you experience any lag, please let us know in the comment section, or let me know in the comment section. Temusirika busirisi. Nnyonnyola mmwe. Ate bwe bitusumbuwa sirina kyakuluzinga. I just quit. Understand? Bwe bitusumbuira I just quit. Sirina kyenduzinga bapapa. So mulina okwefaako, you let me know. More than one injection is using. Nzajjeeyo nzakijja ekifaananyi ne nzizaamu ekifaananyi ekirala, because wano badde bandeetedde injection ya system URS primary biki. Now, let's proceed. On Tuesday, what are we looking at? On Tuesday, we are looking at the card. We are having CPI on the card, Canadian dollar. And what next still on Tuesday? So on Tuesday, we are expecting moderate what? Moderate liquidity. Weekly crude oil stroke. Now on Wednesday, what are we experiencing, or what are we expecting on a Wednesday? On a Wednesday, we are having GBP CPI. Already muchimanyi CPI wa GBP afuruma Wednesday. And what should we expect? Remember to jamu trading. We shall live trade it around. Like US economy, we're having CPI on the US dollar on Friday. I'm waiting for your questions. Put your questions in the comment section such that we can analyze together, and I know where precisely I can analyze, or where precisely I can do my analysis. I'm just meandering to all currency pairs. New home sales, Michigan, S&P Global 500. Okay. At I'm not going to look at the full report. This is a BTC, and this was my this is CAD. This is CAD. This is CAD. For those ones whom I gave this analysis, unfortunately, it didn't deliver in time, but later it did so, delivered. And if I'm to look at CAD one eno we yakatuuka talina nnyo kyamaanyi nti oba wano around this price level, I'm not expecting a lot from it. that it will stop this level, or it will stop the market. Actually, let's first look at the previous week. We first see how it has been performing. Now, if you look at the previous week, CAD is really bullish. USD CAD. I see that Canadian dollar is really bullish. Now, let's look at the CXY. We first see the Canadian index. Now, this is a daily time frame, a weekly time frame, by the way. You can see the reason as to why it has been buying on the pair USD CAD. Okay, you can see why it has been buying on the pair. And let's first look at the DXY. We see now this is the DXY. If you look at the DXY, you can see that it's a really too weak. But the reason as to why USD CAD is bullish is because of CAD, and CAD is really bullish, and we are anticipating bullish what? Bullish what? Bullish moves. Okay, we are anticipating bullish moves. So what's next? This is USD CAD. This is USD CAD. Okay. Network issues have started. Are we good to go now? Please let me know in the comment section. Are we good to go? Chidi, okay? Is it okay now? Okay. My primary source, cable yange eri kuleta ekifaananyi ku eno monitor okujjukira I'm not at the home setup. I'm not at the home setup. So cable yange transmitting ekifaananyi. Simanyi buzeewo gireko. Egamba more than one ingestion. So remember, I'm not using the full setup. It's okay. But let's go slowly. Now, if you to see, now, if you to look at this level, you can see that there is really a very strong support within this area. But indeed, however much it's a really strong support, this is a weekly time frame. We are not looking at it anymore. I'm going direct to a 1 hour time frame because my major aim is to spot opportunities. I'm just looking at I'm just looking at opportunities which are really ready around, and we can just do what? We can just utilize them. Now, if you look at this level, this price level here, around here, it's really strong. And to those ones who are eyeing for sales on USD CAD, unless when it's broken, that's when we shall consider what? More buys. But it's going to be act as a barrier, and it will give buyers a very difficult time for them to pass through or traverse through that price level. We are looking at Gold Express. Now this is gold. It slept. Gold in a small profits are $30. $30. At what? $30. It slept. Now, this is a 1 hour chart. This is a 1 hour chart. And if it's a 1 hour chart, first ask yourself as to the reason as to why it stopped at this level. This level didn't hold it. People might think this level holds. Actually, it was holding gold all this level. No, it's not like that. Understand? But gold as gold, it was stubborn that the previous week, actually, it formed what we call a Friday TGI profile. It formed a TGI profile. Understand? What's next? So I'm anticipating more gold buys, But in this process of us waiting or looking at gold buys, we should really be very, very, very careful with whatever thing we are planning or with whatever thing we are doing, because it's a new week and we don't know the market shifts and momentum. Okay, we don't know the market shifts and momentum. Okay, we honestly really don't know it. But this is a serious selling level. So we are starting from here. Let's look at a BTC USD. Just look at the price level. Womanyi chokola. Nikantuliddemu wane eno. One around here. We kantuliddemu ka BTC. But mwana yambwa nnyo oluusi. Actually today nandikoze ku BTC $3,000. But nagaddewo nga ntidde n'okutya. Nange ntya ndi muntu. At times I also get that fear. So, but I was holding it seriously. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is a 1 hour chart. Any barrier, these levels are not all that varied, but the barriers we are expecting them within this area. These are the buying barriers. You know, you're selling. And I gave you this signal to those ones who are in VIP. Remember, I'm executing. May God bless you. How I execute. Always, never undermine my signals. Trust me or not, never. Okay. So I can get the gas to you never. It's okay now. Tetusinika nyoma nyote tuwe one. This level is where we are eyeing for our serious sales. This price level. I tell you, again, this level, I'm not considering it that it will stop our, or it will support our bullish campaign on the BTC, because it's not valid. It doesn't really and honestly fulfill my criteria. I would rather go with this high, this one here, this one. Okay, would rather fulfill what? Would rather fulfill that level. Now let me look at Euro USD. Temuli kumpa pairs za mweze mwagala. This is Euro USD. Looking at the hourly charts. This is our 1 hour time frame. Whoa. Okay. Execution time frame. I'm executing at a 15 minutes chart. Only 15 minutes time frame. I'm not anticipating buys or sales beyond that level. And if it does so, just know it's not perfect. Another buying opportunity in the Euro USD, it's this level. Okay. It is that level. Another buying opportunity in Euro USD. Let's just make it more brief and precise. What next? USD JPY. This is USD JPY and it's really bullish. Too bullish. However much it's tested a very strong level. Yeah, this was supposed to be a selling level. At the moment we break above it and we retest, we are buying. Not a station, we are buying. And if we fail this level, level that we so. The moment we fail, if that level fails, we are not exceeding this level. Any other more pair? NZD, USD. NZD, USD sellers, those ones in VIP, man, you're delivering a much tono. They are one your money, but still, Mwafuna kwake mwafuna around that level. And I'm looking at a lot of liquidity. There is a lot of liquidity below. Let's go to our higher time frame. Let's go to our higher time frame. Always use my sure waters if you want my sure profits. Yeah. Euro NZD. Yes, oil. US oil is bullish. Trading US oil. You can execute now. The moment it opens, you can execute. Let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq, and it's supposed to buy this level, and unfortunately, it sold. This is a higher time frame. The moment it reached it, Bama never liquidating, but it started delivering. So, what should we anticipate? Anticipation. I'm waiting. Put your questions in the comment section. I still have time. One of us our turn. So never get yeah, those ones. VIP. I'm going to cash with you on my mobile phone. Okay. We thank God that we are experiencing a lot of profitability in our VIP. It's not an obligation for you to join, but again, don't be left behind by the wave. Soon we are going to increase. Okay. So I think that's it. Let's end here with this video. First look at XAUD at 1 minute. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame XAUSD. This is a 1 hour chart. Bullish. Too bullish. Let me show you some of my positions, man. Angola Gecko. Now this is gold. Olava. This is the buy level. One way agalide. One way agalide one. Yasulamu. Gold. Yasulamu. This was the boat. Boat yalekamu. Strictly, I'm using the boat next week. Starting from tomorrow, I'm using my boat. I'm going to be using my boat. And that new boat will be just hired for someone to access it. I'm just going to hire it. Understand? Now this is BTC. Olaba. Oyabadde lina okumpeera wano ate navuddemu mu busiro bwange. Singa nalemezzaamu kati olaba paka wano eno nandibadde nkola. Ekitegeera nandibadde nkola ki? Nandibadde nkola. Understand? So that's it. Let's call it a day. Be blessed.